Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. We stand behind this vehicle and the CARFAX report available to you free of charge. It appears there has been no smoking inside this vehicle. The exterior of this ride is immaculate, it has no door dings. The paint on this vehicle makes it obvious that the owner garaged it. Luxurious interior that's comfortable and convenient with nice access and ease of entry and departure. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $24,000. Contact the dealership today.